First and foremost, I want to start this video off with a moment of gratitude. I am very grateful and very thankful to be sitting here today to talk about this Pax wardrobe system. This has been something that I have wanted for a very, very long time. It's something that when I was living in a small apartment and everything was all over the place, I thought there was no way that I would ever have something like this. I would make Pinterest boards and just really fantasize about one day if I were to be able to get a Pax wardrobe system. So I saved up and I worked hard and I bought this for myself, and I'm very, very grateful and thankful to have the opportunities to get something like this. And I wanted to start the video off this way because I have been in the shoes of somebody who couldn't afford something like this, somebody who would save things on Pinterest and think this is never gonna happen for me. And I was able to work hard enough to get the things that I really, or get the Pax wardrobe system that I really wanted. So although it's nothing crazy or impressive, this is not like Jaclyn Hill's closet or Kylie Jenner's closet or anything. I don't have crazy expensive purses, but I know that I'm very grateful and very thankful for the things that I do have. So that was just very important to me to start the video off that way. Anyways, moving on. Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna walk you through my Pax wardrobe journey. So as I mentioned before, the Pax wardrobe is something that I've always wanted. I always felt like I was very disorganized and very cluttered when it came to my closet because I never really truly had enough space. I had all these Pinterest boards of Pax systems that I thought were really aesthetically pleasing. But when it came down to it, I was like, okay, what exactly do I need? It's so different when you're actually ordering it for yourself than it is just looking on Pinterest and seeing ones that are nice for other people's homes. So in my confusion, I realized that IKEA has Pax wardrobe specialists. So Pax wardrobe specialists you can make an appointment with. The appointment is $40 an hour, but you get that money that you spend back in the form of a gift card. So really, you're not really spending the money. You could put it back towards your wardrobe system if you'd like. The Pax wardrobe specialist will send you a form online that you have to fill out with your room measurements and the colors that you want, and just so they can really get an idea of what it is you're looking for. Then you go into IKEA and you sit down with that specialist and they will help you build your closet. They know exactly the proportions, they know exactly how it's going to look, and they'll help you build your dream closet. When you go into IKEA and you work with your Pax wardrobe specialist, they will show you like a 3D room of how your wardrobe will look in the room. So this is my booklet right here. This was the system that I had initially made with my Pax wardrobe specialist. It had 3 of the bigger closets. It had shelves up here. It had some shelves down here, or some drawers down here, and then some shelves in the center so that I can place purses and accessories on them. And then in your little booklet that they give you, they'll print out exactly what it is that you picked out. So these are everything, like the little knobs, the drawers, the clothes rails, the wardrobe frames. It has like the item number, the price, and everything. So if you want to reorder something, or if you want to redo your Pax system but you want exactly the same item that you initially ordered, this is where the information would be. So I sat on it for a couple weeks because it just hurt my heart to think of spending that much money on something. And then I realized there was a Pax wardrobe sale for IKEA. So I went on the website, and I didn't realize this before, but they have pre-assembled, well, not pre-assembled, but like pre-modeled out Pax systems on their website. So if you're somebody that doesn't necessarily want to go in and make your own thing and you're not picky, then you can definitely pick something out on their site that's just, they have designed it for you. They'll just send you all the pieces and then you can assemble it yourself. So that's actually what I ended up doing. I got one that was over $200 cheaper. So this system was $500 compared to the $725 that I had customized on my own. So that was a huge win for me. So I ordered that one online and I had it shipped to the store. Now, if you are having it shipped to the store and not shipped to your house, because the store shipping was much cheaper than having it shipped to our house. Just be prepared that you're going to need a truck or a big car because this was big. John has a pickup truck, so we were able to put everything in the pickup truck, but if you don't have one, I would even consider renting a small U-Haul or something because it is big and it's not going to fit in the average car, or just pay a little extra and have it shipped directly to your house. So ever since I got it, I have just been, this is my favorite room in the house now. I love just hanging out here. I have my makeup here, I have my camera stuff here, I have my clothes here, and it's just like my room, my safe space. I love it in here. And getting ready in the morning is so much easier. So my Pax system, I will walk you through it. So I have two of the bigger frames. I felt like this would be enough for the amount of clothes that I have to hang up. So I can fit quite a bit. I did sweaters and long sleeve shirts in one frame, and I did t-shirts in another frame. Now on each frame, I also put a shelf. On these shelves, I decided to put accessories. Also, these shelves are hiding what are in the drawers underneath, so they're not exposed and open and looking a little messy. Inside of my drawers, I have pants, I have skirts, I have tank tops, workout clothes, pajamas, anything that I don't really want to display, I will put into the drawers. I really love the shoe rack at the bottom, and I love how it pulls out. It's a little messy right now, I apologize for that. I can pull it out, I can see what's in there, nothing is hiding behind. My biggest thing with my shoes was that they would just be all over the place because I'm looking for shoes, I'm moving stuff around. Now I can see them all displayed nicely. So I have two of these shoe racks, so that's 4 shelves for shoes, which is perfect for me. Now I have one of the smaller frames. I did not put any drawers or shelves in this smaller frame, just a rail, and this is for dresses. It's perfect because I can hang all my dresses up, I can see them, nothing is getting wrinkled, everything is just hanging and taken care of. It's very simple. I didn't get too many bells and whistles in mine. You could also add like mirrors and things that come out and like different, you can add doors if you want, but I decided to keep it like this, very simple, and I could just see everything when I come in and get ready in the morning. It's just so easy. So that's it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about the Pax system, let me know down below in the comments. I will try to answer them the best that I can. But if you are in the market for a Pax wardrobe system, I would definitely recommend talking to a Pax specialist at IKEA because they can definitely, if you're serious about it and you wanna spend that $40, you will get it back, but they'll answer any questions that you might have. And this video is not affiliated with IKEA whatsoever. Hey, IKEA, if you wanna work with me, that would be great, but this video is not affiliated with IKEA. I am just very happy with the way this turned out. Anyways, that's all for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, let me know down below in the comments. Leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every single week. So until next week, I'll see you guys later.